Chrome extensions can seriously upgrade your browser, but only if you use them the right way. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use extensions in Google Chrome effectively, so you stay productive without slowing things down. First, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for it directly or access it from your browser. Now, use the search bar to find extensions based on what you need, like productivity, design, or security tools. Before installing anything, check the ratings, reviews, and number of users. This helps you avoid low-quality or unsafe extensions. Once you find a good one, click Add to Chrome, then Confirm. The extension will install in seconds. Click the puzzle icon in the top right corner, then pin your most used extensions so they're easy to access. Most extensions have their own settings. Click on them and customize how they work based on your needs. Don't install too many extensions. If you're not using one, disable or remove it. Too many can slow down your browser. Make sure your extensions stay updated. Chrome usually does this automatically, but it's good to check sometimes. Use extensions that actually help, like blocking distractions, saving time, or improving workflow. That's where they really shine, and yeah, that's how you use Chrome extensions effectively. Keep it simple, use only what you need, and your browser will stay fast and powerful.